There's one. Got him, good one. Another good, man, this hole is loaded. Welcome back to another adventure. We are on the Arky Fork in Clinton, Arkansas. I'm actually meeting my mother-in-law today to get my 2 kids. She kept them for a few days for us over the weekend, so my wife and I could go kayaking. Awesome mother-in-law. Yeah. So anyways, I'm meeting her in Clinton, Arkansas. It's kind of like the midway point between my house and their house. And I was like, well, if I get to Clinton a little early, a couple hours early, I can try to catch some fish. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna work this creek. This beautiful creek. And today is gonna be 92 degrees, so this is perfect conditions to stay cool while you fish. So hopefully we'll catch a few and make a video out of the day. But if not, anything else, it's fun to explore and find new areas to fish. So stay tuned and I'll catch you upstream. Fish on. Fish on. Woo! We got ourselves a little smallmouth on the Hellgrammites. Little fella. Pretty little guy. We'll let him go back into the eddy he was at. That's swept away in another spot. Sweet. Fish on. Oh, he spit it out. Got him. It's a little gill. Little green sunfish. Cute little fella. Sorry, bud, that was a horrible release job. Woo! Look at that baby right there. That's a nice one. It's a nice spotted bass. Woohoo! Chunker. Came out of this eddy pool right here. Beautiful fish. Got me a topwater bait here. Someone got hung up somehow. Just trying to get all that string out. We don't cause a big mess. Oh, man. They lost a lot of string right here. Okay, I got it. I got all the string, and I got this nice flopping bait. Sweet. There's a bit of crawfish. It's good to find. We got some green, a little bit of orange flake to him. I don't know why he's dead, but it's good to know though for matching that hatch. I'm about to change out this minnow if I don't get a bite on it in a few minutes. Had a lot of followers and some nibbles, but this is a nice hole here. If I don't get hit on this, I need to go back to a bottom dragging bait for sure. 'Cause I don't got all day, you know what I'm saying. All right, I'm done with this. It's time to get out the TRD. All right, I'm gonna go with the turd tickler, green pumpkin. I just found that dead crawfish and it was green mainly. Had a little bit of orange on the bottom, but we're just gonna go straight up green. And got the little pinnages on this, so. But I've tossed that minnow around, I tossed the Hellgrammite and got some hits on it, but just not want it. So I think that's going to get them fired up. There's one. A little green sunfish or something. Yep. TRD putting the big ones on the shore. Yeah. All right. That's fantastic. Fish on, smallmouth. Oh no, that was a nice one. Oh, I was just swimming it actually. Dadgum, that sucks. This is a nice hole here, it gets deep. Oh, I was just swimming it back to me. I had a green sunfish hit it, something small. And then when I was swimming it, that smallmouth smoked it. Man, look at the crawfish. Woo, baby. Talking about matching the hatch. That's a lively one right there. Oh, it's frustrating. That was a good, probably a 12-incher. I'll come back downstream and see if he's still there later. There's one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know if he's the same one or a different one, but match that hatch. TRD. Woo, baby. Oh man, he wanted that dude. I'm gonna have to get the pliers out. Look at that. Beautiful. He's got it. Got him. Yeah. Oh, it's a nice one. Woo. No, dadgummit. Having a bad day of setting a hook. I need to quit worrying about my camera. Camera's having issues. It's just really hot today. It's gonna be 92 degrees. It's probably about 80 something right now. And so my stuff is overheating as always. There's a good little spot right here. I'll remember it coming back down and try to catch those other ones. There's one. Got him. Got him. Good one. Another good. Man, this hole is loaded. This hole is loaded. Stay on. That's a good one. Come here. Stay on. Stay on. I'm taking him to the shore. That way if I lose him, I might be able to. Man, that's a thick one. Man, look at that, baby. Look at that smallmouth. That's a nice creek one right there. Woo, yeah. Look at that, baby. It's a long one. Right there at the top, TRD, tickler. Gets it done. Gets it done. About time I hooked one, jeez. Pretty smallmouth, beautiful. Beautiful Ozark smallmouth right there in Clinton, Arkansas. There he goes. Fish on, little smallmouth. Right. Oh, come here, bud. Come here. Quit jiggling. quit jiggling. Man, this little spot right here is just loaded of smallmouth, all sizes. Healthy ones, small ones. It's a good population. Do you want to do some more fishing? You want to do some more fishing? Or are you going to play in the sand? Okay, I think you chose sand. Well, as you can tell, I got my son, and my daughter went to a friend's house, so I only got one of the kids. But yeah, he caught maybe 3 brim. And he saw a danger noodle swimming, and after that he was done. So I don't think he wants to be around these rocks anymore. I checked him thoroughly, but the snake was on the other side kind of swimming this direction, and after he saw that coming, he's like, "Daddy, let's go!" So I don't blame him. It looked like just a water snake. I wasn't too sure. I didn't have good close-up on it, but after that, yeah. So after that, he was like, "I'm out, I'm done." So anyways, it's hard to keep a 4-year-old entertained for a couple hours. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and pack it up and head on out. I've been to this creek before, but I haven't came up any further than that section down there. So today I kind of explored a little bit higher, and the holes are getting deeper. So I think one day when I don't have my kids with me, I might bring the paddleboard. It's really, really shallow through here to bring a big old heavy kayak. So I might bring my light 30-pound paddleboard and kind of work this area and try to look for some more smallmouth. It's a beautiful area. It's real close to my house, maybe like 30 minutes away, so you can't beat this. And it's clear water and it's cool water. So if I get too hot, I can always just take a dive. I'm also thinking this would be a good area to practice some fly fishing. So if you'd like to see me do some fly fishing, let me know in the comments below, and I'll come back and bring the fly rod to this area. Well, thanks for watching as always, and I hope to catch you on the next event.